It's hard times, and this is a poor man's soup recipe. I'm Valerie Dawson, and I will show you how to make this budget-friendly hearty soup. Stay tuned. This video was inspired by Tess Cooks For You. Her video will be linked in my description box below. A simple recipe for using staples you have in your refrigerator and items in your pantry. This is 2 pounds of ground beef that I am browning and chopping. For the vegetables, I'm using staples I have. If you have 2 small onions, please use them. I just didn't have any in the house at the moment, but normally I would finely dice them and add that. 2 large carrots and 4 stalks of celery. Adding some salt and black pepper, cooking and stirring for 4 to 6 minutes. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, or you can use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. When you add the other spices, use what you have, cooking and stirring for 1 minute, and then adding in 12 cups of chicken or beef broth or whatever you have. I used chicken broth, I used beef broth, and I used beef bouillon mixed with water. But yeah, 12 cups of some kind of broth, whatever you have. This is 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. Giving that a good stir and turning up my heat to bring this up to a simmer. For the spices, I am making it real simple. I have 4 teaspoons of oregano, adding 4 teaspoons of black pepper, and 8 bay leaves. You could use other spices like thyme or Italian seasonings, whatever spices you like or have available. Giving that a good stir, bringing up to a simmer, covering and cooking for 15 to 20 minutes. Now I should have just put the macaroni in there before cooking, or letting it simmer or whatever. When it got to a simmer, I should have added macaroni at this point. But I was going more of what Tess likes in her video. She doesn't like a soggy macaroni, which I don't really care. I think it soaks up more flavor and it makes it more like a chili or something like that. Or like a gumbo or whatever you want to call it. So, yeah. But if you want it more soupy like she likes, then don't add the macaroni until basically it's all done. The soup is done. You can serve this with any pasta or rice if you didn't already want to add the pasta, but I think pasta works best in my opinion. But I haven't tried it with rice, but I like the pasta. So tonight I'm serving with 3 pounds of macaroni. Like I said, next time I'm going to be cooking it in it like before. But yeah, anyways, this poor man's soup is quick and easy. You are using what you have in the pantry. I actually froze 2/3 of this for 2 more dinners in the future. I hope this soup recipe gives you some ideas of what you can create and cook in these hard times. Take care and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!